Ini anak SMK dimohon untuk aktif nih. Oke, saya mulai. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome back again in the English class with me, Mr. Furqon. I will be here with you for the next 25 minutes. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank
How
you.
about you?
How about you?
What about you?
How about you,
A
sir?
little bit tough, but I'm fine. Okay. Someone please get us to pray. Please, Mas Jalal.
Okay, friend. Before we start meeting, let's pray together. Pray, begin.
Bismillah.
Okay, done.
Okay, thank you, Mas Jalal. Anybody absent today?
No one, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, don't forget to always be grateful to God for all the reasons so that we can still here to learn. And stay healthy, everyone. Before we go to the lesson materials, I want to ask you something. And for that, I will share my materials. Have you seen it?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet.
Okay, I have seen the screen.
Okay, good. Before we go to the lesson material, I want to ask you something. Do you have a cell phone or mobile phone?
Yes, I have. Of
I
course.
have.
I believe almost all of you have mobile phone or cell phone, right? How do you do to call someone using cell phone? Please, someone.
First, search the contact name or type the number you want to call, and then press the call button or icon in the screen.
Okay, good. But to call someone first, search the contact of type the number you want to call, and then in the screen you press the icon call, and go to another topics. What should you do to avoid the coronavirus?
My answer.
Okay, Mbak Tessy.
Okay, just to avoid coronavirus, maybe we can do some, for example, always wash our hand frequently, and then keep our environment healthy and clean, and also keep our distance with other people.
Okay, good. That is some ways to avoid the coronavirus, like wash your hand regularly, clean your environment, and etc. Okay, we will learn about procedure text, manual, and tips. This material is important because it can help you to describe how something is done in sequence steps and to explain instruction to make or do something. Please be focused and relax. Hopefully, after learning this material, all of you can understand what procedure text, material, and manual and tips, and write and make video about procedure text, manual, or tips. First, let's see to this text. Can you read it?
Yes, I can.
Okay, I will give you 2 minutes, and then you should find the topic of text 1 and text 2. Okay, thumbs up. What do you see in the pictures? Let's go back again. What do you see in the pictures?
There is television. In the first
Television.
picture.
It's about television.
The way to use television. I also see the symbol of Netflix.
How to use television.
How about the text 2?
Text 2.
It is to tell us about the procedure to
stay healthy.
Okay, good.
It's a tips.
Someone is sleeping.
What do you get from the picture? From the picture 1 and 2? What do you get from the picture 1?
Information about how to
use television,
How to use
Yeah, how to use
Netflix.
television.
How to play Netflix.
And how to
And,
stay healthy for
in the
the
text too,
second.
how to stay healthy.
How to stay healthy.
Then I want to ask you what happens if the steps are swapped. The first in the text one. Mas Jalal, can you answer?
You
Kalau
can
misalkan
if
diacak langkah-langkah di teks 1, apa yang akan terjadi?
Text 1, if the step are swapped, it will not work. But in the text 2, if the step are swapped, it doesn't matter.
Oke, good. Nah, kalau di teks pertama, how to use television, jika langkah-langkahnya diacak, if the step are swapped, it will not work. But in the second text, we can swap the steps because the first text is one of example of manual and the second text is tips. You get it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's go to the next step. This is one example of manual procedure text. How to use fire extinguisher. Have you seen fire extinguisher?
Yes.
Yes, I have.
Yes.
Have you ever used it?
No.
Not
No.
yet.
Yet.
You should know how to use fire extinguisher before you use it. Is pull out the pin and then aim at the fire. If there is no fire, don't use it. Okay. Then squeeze and hold the handle.
Of course.
Last is sweep side by side to the fire. And the next is one about procedure text tips. Someone please, can you read it for me?
Yes.
Anyone? Okay, Mbak Haryanti, please read it.
Okay, read. Coronavirus, how to stay safe. Wash your hands regularly. Sneeze or cough into a tissue. Pin it, throw your tissues away immediately. Sneeze or cough inside your elbow.
Okay, good. Thank you, Mbak Haryanti. This is some ways to stay safe from coronavirus. The first is wash your hands regularly, like we said before, and then sneeze or cough. Do you know what is sneeze?
Bersin.
Yeah, good.
Bersin.
And cough.
Batuk.
Batuk. Nah, ketika batuk, usahakan menggunakan tisu. Dan pin it. Buanglah sampah pada
tempatnya.
Nah, walaupun itu hanya sampah tisu ya. Sneeze or cough inside your elbow. Nah, jika tidak ada tisu, gunakan
siku.
Siku, ya. Pinter. Okay. After we read and see the text, now we go to the example of procedure text in video. Let's see and please pay attention. Watch the video carefully because in this last material meeting, I will give you a project to make a video about procedure text like I want to give you here. Let's pay attention carefully.
Hi everyone.
Can you hear the sound?
Yes.
Yes.
Going to tell you how to charge your handphone. Here I have a handphone and a charger. What you have to do first is plug the charger to the electric switch. And then connect the charger to your handphone. After that, wait until the battery icon appears on the screen. Next, charge the battery approximately 5 hours or until the battery is fully charged. The last, remove the charger by pulling out from your handphone. Well, that's it how to charge your handphone. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, what do you get from the video?
To charge the
How to charge the
cell phone.
Good job, all of you. How to charge your handphone. This is one example of procedure text manual. How about the second video? Let's see carefully and pay attention.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Anissa Berliana. Today I want to tell you how to use a blender. First, make sure the blender is clean and in working condition. Second, plug to the socket. Then, put your ingredient inside. Then, close the lid. Press the button to blend it. After blending them well, press the switch off. Then unplug the cable. Finally, pour the blended ingredients into a glass. After the usage, clean the blender plate, lid, and container. I hope this is useful for you and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, what do you get from the video?
How to use a blender, Mr.
Yeah, of course, how to use blender. You can see in the first, there is a title, right?
Okay.
After seeing this, you absolutely. Now, how about to use blender? Have you ever used blender?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have.
Yes, sir.
Have you used blender rightly? Sudah benar dalam menggunakan blender?
Yes, I think so.
I think so. Mungkin sebelum menonton video ini, mungkin banyak yang belum bisa menggunakan blender. Tapi setelah melihat video ini, salah satu contoh prosedur teks manual, pasti sudah paham bagaimana cara menggunakan blender, how to use a blender. Di prosedur teks di SMK ini agak berbeda dengan ketika kalian waktu SMP. It's a bit little different. In your junior high school, it is focused on how to make something like food, drinks, and etc. But in this vocational school, it is focused on how to use like a blender, like something. It's about tools and etc. And also procedure text tips, how to do something. Next, we go to the material. We will discuss about procedure text from the definition, social function, language feature, and text structure. The definition first. Procedure text manual is the text that explains how something works or how to use instruction or operation manuals. And then procedure text tips is a text that deals with human behavior. Can you see the difference?
Yes, I see.
Okay, what is the difference?
Okay, from the previous slide, I see the difference between manual and type. There is in manual, if we skip one process of what is that?
Steps.
Doing the manual, it will not work well. In it's okay for not following one of the steps.
Okay, thank you. Good job, Mbak Desi. The difference can be seen in the steps. The step in the manual, we cannot swipe it. If we swipe it, kalau kita acak langkah-langkahnya atau ada yang tidak dilaksanakan, satu saja langkahnya tidak akan berhasil. It will not work. But in the procedural text tips, we can swipe it. Kita bisa mengacaknya. Atau bahkan mungkin kita bisa meninggalkan salah satunya. Walaupun mungkin nanti hasilnya tidak akan maksimal. Okay, next, go to the social function. The first is social function of manual. It is used to describe how something is done in sequence steps. Next is, it provides a series of steps in sequence that explain the reader how to do something while allowing them to reach the outcome successfully. And the last is, the communicative purpose of the text is to tell the steps of making or doing something. How about the tips? The social function of procedural text tips is to explain instruction to make or do something. Next, go to the text structure. In the procedural text manual, there is 3 structures, but in the procedural text tip, there is only 2 structures. The first, in the procedural text manual, the first is goal or aim. Oh, you can see it in the title. Di judulnya ya. And then materials or equipments. Bahan-bahan atau perlengkapannya. Kalau kita merujuk ke waktu SMP, di sini apa? Ingredients. Do you know what is ingredients?
Bahan-bahan.
Nah, kalau waktu SMP kalian kan membuat makanan atau minuman, kita taruh bahan-bahannya di sini. Sedangkan di SMK, di prosedur teks manual, ketika kita melakukan sesuatu atau akan melakukan sesuatu, kita taruh alat-alatnya yang diperlukan apa saja di sini, perlengkapannya. Seperti tadi misalkan, how to use blender. What is the materials or equipments?
Blender.
Okay, always blender, of course. And then something that we will blend, ya, sesuatu yang akan kita blender, itu termasuk dalam materials or bahan-bahannya. And the last is steps or method, atau langkah-langkahnya. Nah, langkah-langkahnya dalam manual ini harus berurutan in order to achieve the goal, untuk mencapai tujuannya. Okay, good. And in the procedure text tip, there is only 2. The first is goal or aim, or we can see in the title, and then instruction, atau instruksinya apa saja untuk mencapai tujuan tersebut. Next, language features. The first is simple present tense, atau kita sering lihat di simple present tense biasanya ada apa? Menggunakan verb
one.
Ya, verb one. Itu ya. Kemudian menggunakan action verb as imperative, atau kata verb sebagai kata perintah. Open, tab, select, and etc. And then use of numbering or temporal conjunction, menggunakan kata penghubung boleh, atau menggunakan order, first, second, third, jadi penomoran. Jadi kita bisa menggunakan penomoran atau menggunakan kata-kata first, second, and third, atau menggunakan first, before, after, next, and etc. So far, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Do you have any question?
Oh, we don't have.
Okay, if you don't have any question, let's try the task or assignment, I will divide you into 3 groups. The first group is Mas Jalal, Mbak Haryanti, Mbak Wikati, and Mbak Eka. The second group consists of Mbak Salmona, Mbak Istiatun, and Mas Abdul Aziz. And the last group is Mbak Desi, Mbak Ika, and Mbak Siti Nafisa, and Mas Tovan. You get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will send this link in the group, and you answer the question in this form. This is Google form. I will give you 10 minutes to tune it. Instruction is identify the social function, generic structure, language feature from the text. The first is about how to share your location on WhatsApp using Android. And the second text is how to lose fat in fast way. And then there is also how the instruction is classify the following items from the text below. There is 2 texts about manual is using washing machine and tips to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, time's
Yes,
up.
sir.
Please pause from the first group. Mas Jalal, can you present this? This is I got from your answer. Mas Jalal from first group, please present this. Okay.
Hello, Mister.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello, I can hear you.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Can you read it?
Yes, I can read.
Okay, please.
Process manual, how to share your location on WhatsApp. Generic structure, call or aim, material, instruction. Language feature, first using simple present tense, second using action verb as imperative, 3 using numbering or temporal conjunction. Differences, the instruction cannot be swapped. That's correct, Mister.
Okay, next in tips.
Oh, tips, yes. Tips, social function, how to lose fat in fast way. Generic structure, call or aim. Second instruction, language feature, using simple present tense, using action verb as imperative, using numbering or temporal conjunction. Differences, the instruction can be swapped.
Okay, the first manual is about how to share your location on WhatsApp. And the second text is tips how to lose fat in fast way. And maybe in the generic structure and link feature is not too far from the material that we have learned. But in the differences, we can see that in the manual, the instruction cannot be swapped, right? But in tips, the instruction can be swapped. Or we can see this text, how to lose fat in fast way. First, you should do a healthy diet. Then you have to do exercises regularly and stay happy on your weight. These steps can be swapped, bisa diacak. Kamu tidak harus misalkan diet dulu, tapi kamu olahraga dulu boleh. Tapi kalau bisa semuanya dilakukan. Tidak harus berurutan untuk membuat kalian kurus ya. How to lose fat in fast way. Atau bagaimana caranya untuk menghancurkan lemak ya dengan cepat. Okay, we go to the next presenter from the second group. Please, Mas Abdul Aziz, can you hear me?
Okay, sure.
Okay, please.
Okay. Manual to tell about how to use washing machine. generic structure, goal, materials, instructions. Language picture, using simple present tense, using action verb as imperative, using numbering or temporal conjunction. Differences, the instruction cannot be swapped.
Next, in tips.
Okay, tips, social function, to explain how to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Generic structure, goal, instruction. Language picture, using simple present tense, using action verb as imperatives, using numbering of or temporal conjunction. Instruction can be swapped.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome.
Let's see the social function from the first text. First text is a manual to tell about how to use washing machine, and in tips to explain how to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Let's see back to the text. The first text, can you see it? This is manuals for using washing machine. And the next text is tips to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Of course, in the manuals, in the using washing machine, we cannot swipe the step. But in the tips, we can swipe the text. Kita bisa mengacak teksnya di tips. Okay, do you understand so far?
Yes.
Okay, good, all of you. Next, we go to the second assignment. I will send you the link and you should write your answer in the Google form that I send in the link. I will give you 20 minutes to turn it. This is the first text using washing machine, and the question, you should answer it in the Google form in your group. Don't forget to write your name before you submit it. And then this is the second text, how to prevent the spread of COVID-19, and this is the question for the second text. Okay, time is up. We will talk about the answer. Kita akan bahas jawabannya di pertemuan berikutnya. Before we close, do you have any question?
No, sir.
No question?
Sir.
Do you understand about the procedure text manual and tips?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's go to the reflection. What have you learned today?
We learned about the procedure text.
Okay, Mbak Isti, good. We have learned about procedure text. Can you add or another? Can you someone can you talk about what is procedure text or about generic structure and etc. Mbak Wigati, dari tadi belum ada suaranya.
Yes, sir.
What is the generic structure of procedure
text? The generic structure is the goal and then materials and the steps.
Okay, good. That is the generic structure for manual. How about in tips?
Yes. In tips, what was that, sir?
Only 2 steps. The first is
the goal or the aim.
Yes.
And steps.
Okay, good. Steps or instruction.
Instruction, yeah.
Okay. Next, what is the most interesting part in this material? Someone can
Blender.
Blender, oke sih.
Yes.
Mas Celal. Jadi salah satu yang menarik ya bagaimana cara menggunakan Blender. Mungkin Mas Jalal baru tahu ya. Mas Jalal, do you have Blender?
No, I don't have at home.
Oh,
But I see in the warung.
Ya.
Market, at the market.
Ya, mudah-mudahan nanti bisa beli Blender. Jadi ketika beli Blender sudah tahu caranya karena sudah menonton videonya. Oke.
Yes, sir.
Good. For your homework, find one topic that you will make into procedure text manual. Jadi in the next meeting, we will write the procedure text manual that you will make into video. I will send the link and you should write it in this Google form. Okay, thank you. Do you have any question?
No, sir.
No question.
Okay, if you don't have any question, thank you very much for your participation. You did a good job today. I'm very happy with your activity in the class. How about you? Did you enjoy my class?
Yes, I enjoy this class.
I enjoy the class.
Okay, before we close, let's close our lesson by reciting Hamdalah together. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye, see you.
See you, sir.
Oke, thank you Pak Purton. Kemarin diberi diberi masukan yang banyak ya, kemarin dari teman-teman, dari Bu Ida, dari saya juga, kayaknya berbeda dengan yang kemarin. Baik, sekarang sebelum saya lanjutkan, Bu Ida dulu, ini sinyalnya sudah bagus belum Bu Ida?
Semoga Bu.
Semoga
bagus, Nje. Boleh kalau saya duluan, takutnya nanti tidak stabil lagi internetnya. Baik Pak Furkan, saya langsung aja, nanti berganti.
Suaranya putus-putus lagi.
Putus-putus suaranya, masih putus-putus.
Ada suaranya. Luar biasa, bagus perkembangan di ruangan tadi. Bla 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 bla, semuanya jawab. Sebaiknya ya minta mereka untuk
putus-putus suaranya gitu.
Hilang malah suaranya.
Pemutaran video dan penggunaan Google Form itu sudah mewakili TPACK. Namun kalau bisa loh ya, Google Form-nya diklik lah biar lihat isinya apa gitu, ya kan? Biar kelihatan gitu, walaupun cuma sebentar gitu. Ini loh isinya di dalam Google Form tuh ada ini gitu kan. Mereka bekerja bersama-sama di dalam kelompoknya. Tadi per kelompok ada berapa orang saya belum jelas.
Ada yang 4, ada yang 3 Bu, karena ini 12 orang. Jadi sayanya jadi guru, jadi ada yang 4, ada yang 3.
Ya. Tadi sempat disampaikan ya si A, si B, si C. Oke.
Ya, jadi disampaikan siapa-siapa saja.
Menyampaikan instruction ya. Itu ya, muridnya pinter-pinter ya, sini ya lancar. Ini apa namanya pembelajarannya ya, untuk menyiasati memang harus cari yang pinter-pinter ya. Oke, dari saya itu jangan lupa linknya nanti diklik bagi yang lain juga biar kelihatan. Kami menilainya di sini kan harus ada muncul TPACK-nya selain video lah pastinya. Oke, saya sampai 2 orang belum melihat yang menggunakan AR ada apa enggak nantinya. Dan salah satu dari kalian ada ya, apa namanya, biar tercover AR-nya gitu, augmented reality-nya atau virtual yang apa namanya satunya apa Mbak Desi? Satunya namanya Mbak Desi?
Virtual reality.
Artificial intelligence.
Ya, oke, yang disampaikan Bu Aryati. Oke, itu ya mudah-mudahan nanti dari siapa begitu bisa muncul. Itu Bu Aryati dari saya, terima kasih.
Iya Bu, terima kasih. Lumayan lancar daripada yang pertama tadi. Cuma tadi saya ada yang komentar yang pertama tadi meminta mereka untuk menjawab dulu gitu atau bagaimana gitu. Yang pertama tadi.
Ya mereka kan menjawabnya rame-rame bareng-bareng begitu, sehingga Pak gurunya mungkin tidak tahu yang mana yang menjawab yang benar. Nah itu sehingga ruangannya menjadi crowded.
Iya, menunjuk salah satu gitu.
Itu sebaiknya minta mereka untuk raise hand, ya menunjuk atau menyuruh mereka untuk raise hand. Jadi tidak semuanya bareng-bareng ngomong begitu, maksud saya. Oke.
Terima kasih Ibu. Masukan yang luar biasa. Kemudian ini satu peserta. Saya minta Bu tadi siapa? Tadi Bu Ika sudah ya? Bu Siti Nafisa, bisakah?
Iya Bu. Ini untuk Pak Furkan bagus sekali Bu. Yang sudah runtut. Kalau kemarin kan lebih banyak videonya terputar. Dan untuk kali ini kan tadi sudah per poin-poin, terus runtut juga sampai dari awal sampai penutup, sampai ada apa namanya tugasnya juga, jadi lengkap Ibu. Kemudian mungkin ini waktunya mulainya jam
Iya. Nanti kalau di jadwal jam 8.10 sampai 8.45.
Iya, pas itu. Tadi
kan
jadi sampai 8.43 saya.
Iya.
Bukan sama ini. 8.45 itu bukan sama komennya atau
Iya, iya, tadi ada sampai 8.45 harusnya, tetapi tadi agak belandang sedikit gitu. 8 kan 25 menit gitu.
Okay.
Iya, manajemen waktu gitu nggih. Ya. Terima kasih. Ini dari Bu Nafisa, manajemen waktu nggih. Kemudian kalau dari saya nih Bapak Ibu sekalian. Yang pertama itu adalah dalam keterampilan berpikir kritis. Tadi saya apakah saya agak nge-freeze sebentar. Di sini kalau misalnya membandingkan itu jangan, kayaknya tadi agak lama juga memberikan ceramahnya gitu. Itu kan dibuat diskusi. Jadi kalau misalnya biarlah mereka menyimpulkan sendiri perbedaan antara tips dan procedure tadi gitu ya. Gitu Bapak. Jadi jangan terlalu banyak didikte gitu kan. Kemudian yang kedua pronunciation. Yang work sama walk itu beda ya. Ya. Ini bisa, ini kan yang bekerja gitu ya, ini nanti berhasil, it work gitu ya, it work kan work. Kemudian instruction mungkin jenengan grogi itu ya, bukan instruction tetapi instruction.
Okay. Buar nge-freeze ya?
Iya kayaknya. Sinyalnya memang banyak yang pakai di mana-mana mungkin. Jadi, iya. Baik. Oke.
Matur suwun masukannya dari Bu Dayati dan Bu Aryati dan juga teman-teman.
Ya, karena kita sampai 8